So today I want to see how we can create our own function or library. You can call it modulo, whichever name you want to call it. We want to create it on our own to be able to use it in our code. We don't want to import it from already created function. So let's see how we can do that in this video. Now if you have a replit, you can go ahead and create a new replit, or it doesn't matter whichever editor you are using. Go ahead and open the main function of Python. So in this replit site, I'll click on create replit so that it will take me straight ahead to the Python main function. Now I can name this one file organizer. Let's say I want to organize some files. Files organizer. Okay, now you click on create. So this will save as file organizer. You see it's open. We are in the main function of Python. So the next thing we want to do is inside that function we can create the function we want to create, or the modulo or library we want to use in our code without importing it. So you can create your own function. So we click right here. Then you see here, you can see at the top right corner here, you can see add. You click on add, meaning you are adding a new file. You are naming it the name you want. So let's say I want this file to read all my information in the main function. So I can name it read.py. Then you click on add. Now we are going to create the function. So here I can say def read it. You can name it read it. So whatever is inside the main function, it will read. Then open a bracket. Then I can say maybe files. So read it, that is file. Then you bring a semicolon. Then you come down. We can say print that is any information inside the file. So you can say print all information. You can bring that is plus the file. So we are going to save this. Now we'll go back to the main function. We go back to the main function, that is, let's say, file organizer. Now here I'm going to import the function we have just created to be able to use it in my own code without using anybody's function that has already been created. So I can say import read. Then you come down, you can say read it. Sorry, the dot didn't come. Read it. Then I can open the parentheses. Then I bring my quotes. I can say let's say maybe all documents, comma, maybe music files, comma, names, comma, I can say all applications, you can say etc. etc. So now we are going to print this and see whether it will be able to do that for us. It will read everything that we have inside it. You can see here all documents, all files, names, all applications, etc. So this is simple how you can create your own function or modulo, or you can say library, to be able to use in your own code without importing someone's already created a modulo or file or function. So I hope this is helpful to you. Please make sure to subscribe before you leave the channel, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Love you.